think for healthcare leaders today, fear is in the room. There's so many threats, so many even attacks, so many uncertainties that being afraid is completely understandable. However, any leader knows you can't deal from that platform and help the people who depend on you to emerge successful. I think the Leadership Alliance, by creating a safe space, a space where people can trust each other, they can communicate in ways they may not be able to outside the room, offers a chance to overcome that fear, to disable it and move ahead into the excitement that improvement really can bring. Through its exercise of collective voice, in the working groups that the Alliance establishes, sometimes at the behest of Alliance members, we move to action, creating plans for change and executing those changes together, reporting back on how it's going as we deal with problems of workforce shortage or the COVID pandemic, or how to integrate artificial intelligence into our organizations in a creative way. It's not just a think tank, as they say, it's a do tank, and I love the action. And by the way, as a mentor to the Alliance, I am and will remain relentless about that. Let's have fun talking about it, and let's get out there and make the changes that our communities depend on. The idea was, let's speak together and bring messages of requests and thank yous to high-level leaders around the country. It's worked brilliantly. At Leadership Alliance meetings, we've invited into the room members of Congress, senators and representatives. We've invited in the most senior people in CMS. We've invited in experts in think tanks and philanthropy to be in dialogue. And by the way, we don't just complain to those people about what they ought to do. We thank them for what they have done. And setting up that kind of interaction produces, I think, the possibility of real change. If you get to go to a Leadership Alliance meeting, you feel it right away. The room is electric. It's enlightened by the energy that the members bring into that room and working together. You know, as senior fellow and president emeritus at IHI, I get to participate in a lot of IHI programs and projects. I love them all, but I'll tell you, there's a special place in my heart for the Leadership Alliance. It's the best room to be in American healthcare.